We started the company 20 years ago, me and my wife. In the old days when I started the company, I always had the attitude that, I needed to do it all. I was just doing everything. I was on the tools. We were probably 2 to 3 guys. So when we started, we were using Excel forms for job numbers, purchase orders. But you get to a certain size and that gets a little chaotic. Needed to find a way to store all the information. We customize your inspection forms and be able to put that in a system where it's easily accessible for the mechanics. So basically Simpro has brought all that together under one platform, along with the customer management side, the asset management. That's really important nowadays when we're dealing with customers. We have a large construction, but a lot of service. So one side of the company that has really grown is our chiller manufacturing division, Enviro-Freeze. Over the last, I'm going to say 10 years, where we used to manufacture and build these mechanic rooms up on site, we now basically package them and send them out. We're able to manage our costs, right? And look at the cost of building that unit and separate all that out, and the labor, the materials, right? So then we can actually track our costs for building those chillers.
We've been using Simpro for about 4 years now. The one thing that drew us to Simpro the most was the fact that you had a very good balance between the service side and the project management side. Being on the project management side with using Gantt charts and making sure that we stay on top of our projects as we complete them is very important. And on the other side of the coin, having a great way to balance and manage our preventative maintenance programs that we do, all the way from scheduling them to follow through with customers and making sure there's all the cross-functional communication required to complete a job properly. Simpro made an impact very much right out of the gate. We found that the learning curve wasn't too steep. We were very happy with the training we had. All the team members eventually get in front of Simpro and learn the process, whether it's in the office or in the field.
Simpro is a valuable tool to me, for the rest of my team especially. Real-time job costing is very important. It's important that the whole team has access to that information. We can keep track of burden costs, all the vendor bills, things like that, all get entered into Simpro in real time. It's a valuable source for me that I can go to one place and see what expenses are missing, what purchase orders have been issued but not received, and everybody has access to that information, not just me.
I would say the Simpro has helped us overcome the ability to organize information and cross-functionally communicate. Being in a project or working on a project involves a lot of different divisions in our business, and it's important to be able to have real-time updates of where the project's at. Being able to have visibility for everybody in the organization from every angle as to where the project is at is very important and helps us deliver an exceptional customer experience.
So basically, one concern we had was the cloud-based system to server-based system. If the internet connection goes out or whatever it is, right? I'm able to actually work off-site very easily and get a lot of work done for the customers. So there's a lot of systems out there that say they can do this, but they don't meet those expectations at all, right? So when we found Simpro, we started using it. I actually recommend you guys to a lot of people, right? So it's been really good.